Okay, let's go through our next type of factorization over here. So that's gonna be combined techniques. All right. So what does it mean by combined techniques? So right now we have learned different type of factorization. First one, factorizing our common term. Second one, pairwise factorization. Third and fourth is the same, the factorizing quadratic equation. Fifth one we learned it was differential square. And this is going to be the sixth one, combined techniques. So as the name implies, we basically have to apply maybe two different factorization methods to solve this problem. So how do I factorize this? Okay. Now over here, you might be tempted, oh wait, there are two terms, there is a minus, all right, looks like a difference of square, right? Not so fast. Can I square root all these things or not? Okay, to give me a nice unknown or a nice number, there's none, right? So what can we do first, all right? So if you can't use difference of square on this, let's try something else. So do you notice there are some common terms that I can extract down over here, all right? So what are my common terms over here? So that's going to be x. So if I were to take out an x over here, what's going to left inside the bracket? So that's going to be x squared minus 1. Correct or not? I remove x over here. That's going to leave 1 over here. The 1 is going to be the hidden number that's hidden over here. So x times 1, that's going to be x, negative x. Correct or not? Okay. So right now, am I done over here? I'm not done yet, correct? I've used the first factorization method, which is factorizing out a common term, and then look inside this bracket. Do you think I can factorize this further? Okay? If you say yes, then you are right. Because do you notice inside here is the difference of square, right? Two terms negative, and both of these I can square root, right? So which means I can break this down even further. So what's my final answer will look like? So this x will be still here, and then I know this is the difference of square, so I have two brackets, too big. I have two brackets over here, all right? One of them is plus, one of them is minus. So over here, I should get x1, x and 1. Okay, can follow? Right, simple, right? Okay, same thing over here, all right? Whoa, some bunch of weird things over there. No worry, let's do this one by one. Okay, so it seems there are some common terms that I can extract out. I have 12 and 3 over here, so I can take out 3, correct or not? So let's take out 3. Is there anything else I can take out? I have 3x cubed and I have x over here. I can take out one of them, right? I can take out x. I can't take out y because there's no y here, so that's all I can take out. So once I take that out, what's left in my bracket? So what's left in my bracket? That's gonna be 4x squared minus y squared. Agree? Then after that, take a look at the bracket. Do you notice something over there? That's a difference of square again, right? So you must train your eyes to able to look at this and click straight away, that's a difference of square. How do I know it's a difference of square? Two terms, a minus, and all of these can be square rooted, okay? Right, for more video about difference of square, you can search back the previous video where I explain in details about difference of square. So let's solve this right now. So what I have here, that's gonna give me 3x, and this guy over here is a difference of square, so I know I have my two brackets. One of them is plus, one of them is minus, okay? So this 4x squared, if I square root it, that will give me 2x, and over here that should give me 2x as well. And this y over here, that should give me y and y over here. Okay? And I'm done factorizing already. Okay? Next one over here. Whoa, that's some fraction over there, but no worries, simple stuff, easy. Okay? Take a look at this. In maths, we don't like to see mixed number, all right? We don't like to see mixed numbers fraction. So if we see a mixed number fraction, what can I do over here? I will change it to an improper fraction. And from there, we will see what can we do with it over there, okay? So if I were to change this to the improper fraction, I should get something like this. I will get 5x squared minus 5 over 4, correct or not? Now, if we look at this, is there something common that I can extract out? All right, if you say yes, you're correct. So if I can take out 5, that's all I can take out. So if I take out 5, what's left in the bracket? So what's left in the bracket, that's gonna be x squared minus 1 over 4. Again, difference of square is here, which means I can factorize this further, right? So I have 5, and this guy has 2 brackets. One of them is plus, one of them is minus. This is x, this is x, this is 1 over 2, this is 1 over 2. Done factorizing. Simple, fast and easy. Last example over here, okay? So I have 50 and 8, 2 numbers over here. Any common factor I can extract out. So last I checked is 2. So if I take out 2, so what do I have? I can take out 2 over here. What else can I take out? I have A and A. Alright, seems I can take out something, but how many A's I can take out? Alright, sorry, my mistake. This is not A squared, this is A power of 5. Alright, sorry, my mistake. So over here, I got A power of 5 here, I got A cubed over here. How many A's can I take out? So if you say I can take out 3 A's over here, you are correct. So I will have A cubed over here. Okay, if I A cubed over here, what's gonna left inside my bracket over here? I'm gonna have, alright, 50 divided by 2, I know I will have 25. Out of the 5 A's, I have to take out 3 A's, so what's gonna left? A squared. And then my minus is there. Okay. I have taken out 2 over here, so what's gonna be left over here? That's gonna be 4. I have taken out all the A's out. What's gonna left? B squared. And once again, you look inside the bracket, you should be able to notice that is difference of square, right? Which means we can factorize this further. So what's my final answer over here? That's gonna be 2A cubed. Difference of square, I know there are 2 brackets. One of them is plus, one of them is minus. Square root of 25, that will give me 5. Square root of A squared, that will give me A. It's gonna be the same over here. Square root of 4 will give me 2. Square root of B squared will give me B. Done. That's my final answer. Simple? Alright, so when we're dealing with combined techniques, if you think you can't factorize, try to take out some common terms and see, and hopefully you will see difference of square over there, and by that you will know you can further factorize it. Okay?